Hi, I'm Barton Seaver, chef and author, and I'm here today to teach you how to steam fish. It's a great way to get seafood into your diet more often. Steaming is a really gentle, beautiful, aromatic way of cooking fish, and just about any type of fish works for it, other than really steak fish, whether it be a light, delicate flounder or a full fatty salmon. It's super, super easy. Now, steaming is basically just cooking fish with that aromatic steam. Now, I've created a raft upon which the fish sits, and that's just oranges and star anise, and then just a little bit of water in the bottom of the pan. Now, what's great is that fish, as it cooks, it releases a little bit of its juice, its flavor, gets in the water. I use that water then to just make a puree with some butternut squash, straight out of the microwave. So you've got all that beautiful flavor, all those healthy, it's so good. Nice puree like that, nice beautiful piece of fish. This is mahi-mahi, and then just a salad, arugula, parsley leaves, whatever it is. So thanks for taking the time to watch this video on steaming seafood. For more information about how to get seafood on your family's table more often, go to seafoodnutrition.org. Bon appetit.